body weight is 280.8 pounds.
Hey friend, today is weigh-in day and we are going to recap my week and go over my numbers really quick because I'm fresh out of the shower and I have a hair appointment, so I'm on borrowed time. Okay, if you are new here, my name is Demetra and I have lost over 168 pounds in a previous weight loss journey, and after a setback, I am on a new weight loss journey with alternate day fasting and a GLP1. And if you are returning, hey friend, per usual, my fasting days were Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I did great on Monday. I did great on Friday. For whatever reason, on Wednesday, I was having some cravings, so I did do a modified fast. I made it all through the day. I was having some cravings and some hunger pains. Looking back, I probably should have had some water, or you guys know I sip on coffee, but your girl had popcorn. I am still on 10 milligrams of the GLP1. I am still doing split dosing. I do half dose on Thursday, half dose on Sunday. I am still using my left leg for my injection site because per usual, it's working beautifully for me. So I'm going to continue to use that and I'm going to ride it until the wheels fall off, okay? Appetite suppression, besides what I told you about Wednesday, is going really, really well. Most of the time when I fix a plate, I cannot finish it. And I have trying to get to the point where I'm fixing smaller portions based on not my eyes, but what I know that I will be able to finish. Food noise, mostly minimal, besides Wednesday. I don't know what it was going on with me Wednesday, but it was whispering. It wasn't screaming at me. It was whispering, and I answered. But besides Wednesday, food noise has been very minimal. Side effects, still constipation. The MCT oil, I don't know if I should increase or what, but where it had worked at first, it is not necessarily working now. I'm still using a stool softener daily, and the last few days, I have not had any relief. Y'all don't even want to talk about activity for real because, so what I've decided I'm going to start doing is for accountability, because accountability is what I need. Once again, this is like 3 or 4 weeks in a row at this point. I have not had any activity. So I think what I'm going to do is film some of it so that'll make me do it, right? Because I don't know what else to do at this point besides make the decision and just drag myself up to do it regardless, because I like how I feel after I work out. I don't know why I have such a hard time to... Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I talked about this in my live. My issue is not being present with myself. I know they say that mindset is everything, and it is. Going along with mindset is being mindful. And being mindful is being present of your surroundings. And I have went through life suppressing a lot of things. And over the years, I have used escapism as a form of not dealing with my junk. And I kind of had an epiphany on my live the other night because that was a word that was new to me. I had never used that word before. Alexa, what is the definition of escapism?
Escapism is the act of avoiding reality by engaging in activities that distract or absorb the mind, such as entertainment, imaginary situations, or hobbies.
All right. So that was an epiphany for me during my live this past Friday. That is how I have operated out of escapism. And what I need to do is to be present. Being present with myself will allow me to do things that need to be done because I am mentally aware of those things. Like, here's my water. I'm drinking my water. And so I have a few ideas on how to be more present with myself that I will share with you guys in another video because I'm still doing some research. Because in regards to food and hydration, what I have discovered although I love my gulping water bottle, that when it's, and I still fill it and sit it on my desk to sip on, but to make sure that I'm getting my water in for the day, this has been designated as my new water bottle. Look how pretty it is. Look. This. So what I have done is to set a goal of 3 to 4 bottles, minimum of 3 bottles per day. And I just gulp it down, and I refill it on my refrigerator so that I'm not going through so many bottles of water at the store. But using these, I know exactly how much water I'm drinking, because with my other water bottle, I fill it with ice, and even if I drank 3 of those, I still don't have a way to track how much water I'm drinking. So if I drink a minimum of 3 of these plus sip on that, then I know that I meet my minimum goal, which is 48 ounces. I know that ain't enough water, y'all, but for somebody who doesn't drink as much water as they should, that's my starting point, and a reachable goal for me. So that is an idea for those who struggle to get your water in, because I have to have ice over mine unless I use this. So that is what my plan moving forward is with my hydration. And being mindful, I'm mindful that this is on my desk and I can drink it in 3 to 4 gulps and just knock it out and get out of the way, along with the reminders I have set in place. So in a nutshell, as far as hydration, I'm still a work in progress, but I've made some changes to increase my hydration. In regards to feast days and the type of food that I'm eating, I'm not going to pretend like it's the healthiest, because it's not. But I am, of course, reducing my caloric intake by alternate day fasting and the GLP1. So I will continue to work on making better food choices. And I plan to do that by making a plan, and then also meal prepping. And I'll talk about that another time. When I do it, I will take you guys along with me. And now let's get to my numbers. Last week, week 19, I was 279.2 pounds, and I was hyped, y'all, about getting them 270s. All right. This week, week 20, I am 280.8 pounds. That is a gain of 1.6 pounds this week. And I'm not at all surprised. I'm surprised it's not more than that, because of the side effect and challenge I'm having with the constipation. And I'm not even upset about the gain, because at one point in time in my journey on documenting my weight loss on YouTube, I would be embarrassed to come on here and tell my friend that I had a gain. And I would skip weeks sometimes of sharing that. But it's realistic. We are going to gain weight at some time. So if I'm showing you my real-time journey, then that's it. This week was a gain. Friend, for more content like this, subscribe to the channel and join the Journey family. Hit that notification bell, like and share this video, and I will see you in the comments. Bye, friend.